What, 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 what?
What is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. Work is done when a force moves an object over a distance. You need energy to get things done. An example of energy is riding your bike.
Energy can be classified into two different ways, potential energy and kinetic energy. Either form of energy can change into each other from another. Potential energy can be classified by its position or condition. Potential energy is stored energy, which it has potential and energy. Like a rock at the edge of a cliff has a potential energy due to its position of sitting down. The rock is able to fall off the cliff because of the gravity pulling it down.
Don't bring me down. Don't bring me down. Don't bring me down.
Gravity is the force that lets the objects stay put together. That's why on Earth, that's why everything is not floating around, because gravity is pulling it down to the center of the Earth.
Fuel such as gasoline or coal has potential energy. When fuel burns, the energy stored in its chemical bonds is released. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion. The kinetic energy of a moving object depends on two factors: the object's mass and its speed. An object's kinetic energy changes if its mass or speed changes. Potential energy can change to kinetic energy and vice versa. Such a change is called an energy transformation. Consider a car on a roller coaster. At the top of a hill on a track, the car has mostly potential energy. As the car rolls down the hill, it moves faster and faster. As its speed increases, more and more of its potential energy changes to kinetic energy. At the bottom of the hill, the car has mostly kinetic energy. As the kinetic energy pushes the car up the next hill, the kinetic energy changes back to potential energy.
A roller coaster shows that energy can change between potential energy and kinetic energy. However, regardless of how many times energy is transformed, the total amount of energy remains the same. The principle forms the basis of an important scientific law. The law of conservation of energy states that although energy can change from one form to another, energy is neither created nor destroyed.
Look again at the example of the roller coaster. The law of conservation of energy states that the total amount of energy remains the same. In an ideal system, the cars could go up and down the ride's hills forever, constantly alternating between potential energy and kinetic energy. But in real life, friction changes some of the energy to heat. Friction is a force that acts between objects that touch each other. Friction acts in opposition to motion. As a result of friction, the wheels of the roller coaster get hot. Because the energy that is changed to heat is not useful energy, it is sometimes described as lost energy. But the energy is not really lost. It changes into another form of energy. Take a moment to read the forms of energy below.
You have seen that mechanical energy changes from potential to kinetic and back again. Energy changes in many other ways as well. These transformations happen all around you. Electromagnetic energy from the sun, called solar energy, becomes chemical energy in plants. When you eat food made from plants, you take in this chemical energy, your cells break down food to release this stored energy. The chemical energy changes to thermal energy, which keeps your body warm. It also changes to mechanical energy when your body moves, and it moves to electrical energy to send messages along your nerves. The battery stores chemical energy. When a battery is connected in an electrical circuit, the chemical energy is changed to electrical energy. When you turn on a flashlight, the chemical energy in the battery is changed to electrical energy. The electrical energy moves through a thin wire, called the filament in the bulb. The filament gets so hot that it glows. The filament changes electrical energy to thermal energy and light energy. Electrical energy can be transformed in many ways. Think about all the devices you plug into your home's electrical outlets. A television changes electrical energy into sound energy and light energy. A fan changes electrical energy into mechanical energy. A lamp changes electrical energy into light energy and thermal energy. In each of these changes, energy is conserved. In any energy transformations, some energy changes to thermal energy or heat. In many energy transformations, this is called waste heat because it is not used to do work. Waste heat is still energy, it is not really lost. Remember that energy is neither created nor destroyed. It simply changes forms.